Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create a Power BI report in less than 5 minutes. As you can see, Power BI is an amazing tool which not only creates a report or dashboard but gives meaning and a very decent analysis to your messy data in Excel, and you can use that analysis to present your management in where you're working, or even you can use it for your own analysis. So let's start with the video. So this is the main screen from where Power BI will fetch data based on your selection. First, I will use the import data from Excel because today's video is based on fetching video from Excel and creating a report. In later videos, I will be showing you how to fetch data from other than Excel, from website, from PDF file, or any other source. So I will click on import data from Excel, and I will select the file from which I want to create a report in Power BI. I will select this file. It will take a few minutes to load the data depending on the size of the file and data which you are fetching. Yes, there are two tables shown in my Excel file. I will use this table sales, and I will click on load data. I will not click on transform data because my data is already in a refined shape and it is ready to be used to create a report. If your data is not in a refined shape, you have to convert it into user-friendly mode for Power BI to create a report for you. For now, my data is pretty good to create a report, and I will click on the load button. So when you click on the load button, all the fields in the table which are present in your Excel file will be shown under the fields ribbon, and from there we will select the data which we want to be presented in different visualization based on pie chart or any other visual which we can select. So as you can see in the fields ribbon, my table is showing the table name of my table is sales, and I will click on this drop down menu, and all the fields are now showing under the sales main category. So I will select any category. I will select sales, and I want sales by region. So I will select sales and region. I will select region, and I want this data to be presented in a pie chart. So I will click on this button, which is pie chart. It will create a pie chart for my sales by region. You can adjust the size of the pie chart as per your requirement. And I want sales by category. And I want in a donut chart. I will place it here right next to the pie chart. And next I want sales by subcategory, and I want it in a funnel chart. I will place it right here. Next, I want my profit over the year which my company or my in this case my superstore has earned. I will click on the profit, and I will click on order date, and it will create a profit. I want to create a line chart for this because it will better present my profitability position over the year. Okay, so next I want to create data of my customers by city, customer name and city. And I want this to be presented in a table. So it's already showing in a table because it has already understood that what will better present this data. So after this, you can just place data where you want. I will click on this button to minimize the ribbon, which I don't want to see anymore. You can even minimize this ribbon from the above screen. I click on this. Yes. So now you will see when I click on any of the region, because suppose I want to see how many sales by category, subcategory, and how many profit and how many customers are in this region. So if I want to know all the data for east region, I will click on east, and all the data will be filtered out for the east region. As you can see, the sales by region is filtered out for east region, sales by category is filtered out for east region, and sales by subcategory, profit, customer, everything is filtered out for this east region. And if I want to clear the filter, I will click on the east button, and it will clear all the filters, and all the data will be shown again in the same format which I created. Similarly, I want to know all the data for sales by subcategory. I want to know how many sales were made by region, or how many customers are I have in my superstore which purchase the furniture. So I will click on the furniture, and it will filter out all the data for furniture. You can see the remaining portion has been blurred out, and only the highlighted portion is showing for the sales by region which have purchased my furniture. To clear the filter, you can click on this button, or you can click on this button. I click on this button, it will clear all the filters. So this is very simple, and you can try it yourself. But for creating a report in Power BI in less than 5 minutes, it is an amazing tool which you can use in your daily day-to-day task or reporting to your management. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching.